Richard, who exactly is eligible then?
Well, Colette, for COVID boosters, it is people aged over 65 and those who are medically vulnerable. The HSE has privately been quite concerned about the level of complacency, really, and people not being sure what dose of COVID vaccine they are now due. So this is part of this information campaign, which is aimed at COVID-19 as well as the regular winter flu as well. So people who are eligible for a free flu vaccine are people aged over 65, healthcare workers, people who are medically vulnerable, and children aged between 2 and 17. And really this all comes down to the fact that there is a level of concern amongst health experts about a potential twindemic, about flu and COVID-19 circulating widely over the winter months and putting increased pressure on the hospital system. I asked the HSE about this eventuality or possibility earlier on. They said it is something they are guarding about.
So something that we are worried about, particularly with society opening up. Although flu, there's been limited flu circulating in the previous couple of seasons, we are expecting more of a flu season this year. And with that, coupled with COVID, I think it will be really important that we get the flu vaccine, because that is the best protection that we have. So it's really important people stay up to date with their COVID boosters this winter. So go to hse.ie and have a look at whether you're due for a COVID booster top up. As I said, people aged 65 and over, people aged 12 and over who are with a weak immune system should really be coming forward now for their COVID boosters.
Well, there are still 15 vaccine centres operating across the country for COVID-19 vaccines, including the primary doses, the first and second jabs of COVID-19 vaccine. This is also the first week in which the new COVID vaccines will be in operation. These are ones which contain components of the original or the Wuhan strain of COVID-19, as well as the Omicron strain. So these things have been put together, and it is hoped that it will add extra protection against all possible current circulating strains of COVID-19. Colette.